example of overtaking here. I'm doing 50 something, yeah, 50, well 89. No points on it, no point one. But this guy here, I've been creeping up next to him. So now I've just had to just put the foot down on the accelerator just to try and get past him. I'm okay going up the hill, and I'm kind of okay overtaking him. But why I'm shooting it is the fact that it takes so long. Not that it matters really, because you are overtaking, you're allowed to overtake, nothing wrong with it. You know, but it just takes so goddamn long. You know, if I lose a little bit of speed up this hill, or he decides he wants to get up this hill a little bit quicker himself, then he'll catch me up and then we'll do another 4 miles of overtaking. Luckily enough, he's just going to take my speed. It's not going any faster. I'm not going any faster. But I'm just going to also say that once I'm overtaking him, I'm going to be sat in his nose. My trailer's going to be in his face. And he won't be able to see whoever is on the hard shoulder. It's still there, it's still right beside me. He's going to keep like that for miles and miles and miles. Unless he realises that, oh, I don't really want to have a look at the back of this lorry. And then he'll take his foot off the accelerator. Guarantee. I wish I could take the video off the stick, but I did. Yeah, I'm still out here, shooting now for 2.5 minutes. And yeah, I'm still going. When you see a flash, it's when I've gone past it. Now he's decided he's taking his foot off the accelerator because he's going to be going downhill now, and we are going downhill. So my truck won't allow me to go any faster now. Try and lose it. So yeah, right now, if I can show you my mirror. Stuck right up behind me. There's no way he drifted onto the hard shoulder just a second or two. And there could be somebody just there in the hard shoulder. He cannot see that. He has not got that time to react. Because when you do drive up close behind somebody, it is a bit daunting. You've got to have your wits about you, because the only thing you can see is somebody's back door. Yeah, he's taken his foot off the accelerator now, he's dropped back. It's so predictable. Why they don't do that just to start with? I always do, and I'll shoot a video at some point to show you. Just to show you that. Okay, and how simple and more effective it is. That really did take me 3 minutes. 4 minutes to overtake that guy. 4 minutes. 4 minutes at 60 miles, well,